Are you tired of struggling to save money? Imagine having $10,000 saved up by this time next year. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or just peace of mind, this step-by-step plan can help you hit that goal, even if you're starting from zero. Stick around till the end, because tip number 5 will surprise you. How many times have you said, "This is the year I finally start saving," but then life happens and you're back to square one? Saving $10,000 in a year is totally doable, but it all starts with a clear goal. Write it down. Visualizing that $10,000 can be a powerful motivator. Break that $10,000 down into smaller, more manageable chunks. $10,000 over a year is about $833 per month. Break that down further, and it's about $192 per week. Suddenly, it doesn't seem so impossible. It's about $27 per day, less than a daily takeout coffee. Seeing it this way can really shift your perspective. Step 2 to crushing that $10,000 savings goal is understanding where your money is actually going. Proper expense tracking is key. There are tons of amazing apps that do the heavy lifting for you. Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, and even good old spreadsheets can be your new best friends. Connect your bank accounts and credit cards to these apps, and they'll categorize your spending for you. You'll see exactly how much you're spending on things like groceries, eating out, entertainment, the whole shebang. Tracking your spending isn't about depriving yourself, it's about becoming aware of your habits and making conscious decisions about your money. Chapter 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Time to talk about cutting expenses. This is about making smart, sustainable changes that can free up a surprising amount of cash. First up, let's tackle those sneaky subscription services, streaming services you barely use, gym memberships you haven't touched in months, that random magazine subscription you forgot you even had. Go through them all and be honest with yourself. Do you really need or use them? If not, hit that cancel button. Next up, let's talk about food. Cooking at home is not only way cheaper, but often healthier too. Challenge yourself to cook more meals at home, even if it's just a few times a week. Investing in a decent coffee maker and making your own brew at home can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over a year. Chapter 4. Automate your savings. Sometimes saving money can feel like a chore, but what if I told you there's a way to make it practically effortless? Enter the magic of automation. Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. On the day you get paid, schedule an automatic transfer of, say, $200 or $300 to your savings account. The money is whisked away before you even have a chance to spend it. You don't have to constantly remind yourself to transfer money or resist the temptation to spend it. It just happens automatically, like magic. And the best part, over time, you won't even notice the money is gone from your checking account. And Chapter 5. Increase your income. Sometimes it's not just about spending less, it's about making more. The gig economy is booming. There are countless opportunities to make extra cash in your free time. Platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, and Fiverr offer flexible ways to earn money on your own terms. Whether it's delivering food, driving passengers, or offering your skills online, there's something for everyone. If you're feeling entrepreneurial, why not turn your passions into profits? Maybe you're a whiz at crafting, photography, or social media. Even an extra $50 to $100 per week can make a significant difference in reaching your savings goal. Your side hustle could even turn into a full-time gig if you're passionate about it. Outro, you got this. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't impossible. You just need a plan and a little discipline. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart money tips.